This is one of the most hyped skincare products on the internet, but does it actually do anything for your skin? I'm Dr. Sina, consultant dermatologist, and short answer, for some skin types it's excellent. For others, it's a complete waste of money, and the reason isn't obvious. I even tested this on a split-face experiment, and the results might surprise you. More on that soon. This product, COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, is marketed as hydrating, repairing, and calming. But whether it works for you comes down to three things: your skin barrier, your routine, and the actual science behind snail mucin. In this video, I'll show you what the evidence says, who should use it, who should avoid it, and exactly where it fits or doesn't in a real-world skincare routine. So before you buy into the hype, let's break it down properly. Snail mucin isn't some miracle ingredient that repairs your skin barrier overnight. What it actually does is much more specific and much more limited. Snail mucin is mainly a mix of glycoproteins, humectants, and hyaluronic acid-like molecules. Translation: it helps your skin hold on to water. That's a key point, which is why some people absolutely swear by this product and others feel it does absolutely nothing at all. Here's where it works really well. If you have dehydrated skin or a slightly impaired skin barrier, or you're using actives like retinoids or exfoliating acids, this can be a genuinely good supporting product. It layers well, it's lightweight, and for many people it can reduce that tightened sensation after they cleanse in the morning. But here's where people get disappointed. If your main issue is acne, pigmentation, melasma, or texture, this isn't addressing the problem. It's just sitting on top of it. And if your barrier is already healthy, you may not notice anything at all. So when influencers say, "this transformed my skin," what they're often reacting to is temporary hydration and not long-term skin change. In a moment, I'll show you who exactly should use this, who should skip it, and where it belongs in a skincare routine. Because placement matters more than people realize. But first, let's look at its core ingredient: 96% snail secretion filtrate. That's what makes this product the one everyone talks about, but what exactly does it do? Well, research shows that it can help with hydration and moisture retention, skin repair and wound healing, collagen stimulation, and anti-inflammatory effects. Most studies are in vitro in the lab or with animals. However, there is some growing human evidence. One randomized trial in 120 women showed improvements in hydration and skin thickness, though it used snail mucin in combination with other antioxidants. Another split-face study in 20 people showed slight improvements in wrinkle area, elasticity, and hydration on the treated side. So this is promising, but not absolute. Beyond the snail filtrate, the formula is simple but effective. Humectants like betaine and butylene glycol, soothing agents like panthenol and allantoin, and importantly, no harsh acids, no irritating alcohols, and no perfuming agents, which makes it suitable for everyday use. But who is this product actually good for? This works best if you have dehydrated, sensitive skin, or you're using actives like retinoids, benzoyl peroxide, or exfoliating acids, and your skin just feels tight after using them. It's also really useful if your skin barrier is temporarily impaired, for example after overexfoliation, travel, or even illness. But who should probably skip it? If your active problem is acne, melasma, hyperpigmentation, or textural change, this isn't really addressing the underlying problem. It won't unclog pores, it won't fade pigments, and it won't replace prescription treatments. If your skin is already comfortable, resilient, and well hydrated, you may not get much of a difference at all. And that's not a failure of the product. That's essentially just matching the right product type to the right skin. Of course, it's worth noting that this product isn't vegan as it contains snail secretion. Brands, however, do claim that it's cruelty-free, but that's a whole other topic for another discussion. So how do you apply this power essence? It goes on after cleansing and before thicker active serums or moisturizers. Use 1 or 2 pumps and seal it in afterwards with a moisturizer. Morning or evening is fine, and no, you don't need to go on using it forever. Think of it more like as a support and not a staple active. Now, let's take a closer look at my split face test. Almost immediately, the side with the snail mucin felt more hydrated and more glossy. The key thing is it wasn't greasy, sticky, or tacky. It's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to add into my routine. So is the COSRX Snail Mucin Power Essence worth buying? If you're looking for hydration and comfort, yes it can be. If you're expecting transformation, no, that's not this product. And that's the key takeaway. Good skincare isn't about height, it's about fit. If you match products to your skin's actual needs, you'll spend less, get better results, and simplify your routine. If this kind of no-nonsense, evidence-based breakdown is useful for you, you may enjoy some of the other reviews on my channel. And if there is a product that you want me to test properly, please let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and allows me to continue producing these videos for you. Until next time, Dr. Sina signing off for now.